Today is second day. And it's breakfast time, 6:30 a.m. Dala ko yung pad thai kagabi. So, dala ko yung pad thai. So, for today, pad egg. Chicken sausage chicken. What's this? Vegetable soup?
Yes, chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken and tofu.
Tofu.
Yes.
Okay. So, red cabbage. It's the same as yesterday. Salad. Totally same. Still lang. Bread. Kain muna kami ng breakfast. Yeah. See you later. For this morning, ito breakfast natin. Pinainit ko yung pad thai. Kakain ako ng rice and then sobrang daming protein kasi yung dinner natin kahapon during our Muay Thai session is madami. So kakain tayo maraming protein and then of course coffee. Hindi pwede mawala coffee natin. I'll do espresso times 2. We're gonna go to a cruise from Chao Phraya River Cruise. Juros Travel and Tours ang nag-help pala sa amin to book this trip, and then the cruise later, and then the 6 days trip. Sobrang they help us with everything, like finding a hotel, finding a good fare, yung pinaka lowest fare na but still quality. So yeah, do tours kung 3 days 4 days for your family and all that. Pwede yan ma-customize based on your needs. So message nyo lang sila, Facebook page nila, to Juros Travel and Tours, and then to Juros Travel sa Instagram. They also have their number, lalagay ko na lang dito sa screen for their WhatsApp and then their phone number. Okay? So, ready na yung coffee. So, ang gagawin natin dito, may espresso tayong 2 shots. Pero kulang pa yan. Kuha pa tayo ng isa. So, gagawin naman natin dito, since ayaw natin ng puro-puro, ano tayo? Latte. And after that, ready na. I can eat. Then, yeah. Tayo lang tao. Walang ibang tao dito. Tayo lang. See you at the gym. I'll just grab my breakfast. See you later. Thank the Lord for the opportunity to travel, for the good weather. Alam mo na maliit lang tong space, but you give me a time, Lord, na listen to you while working out. Honor you, Lord. Yeah, super grateful for this experience that I'm having right now. If ikaw, hindi mo pa nakikita yung purpose mo ngayon, just continue to believe in Him and honor Him, surrender everything to Him. I got complete. Just gonna go grab some boiled egg para sa protein. Alam mo yun. Yeah. Yun. And then probably today we'll go to Icon Siam, if I'm not mistaken, and then Siam Outlet Store, Lido Connect and all that. I'll bring you to that place. Sama namin kayo. And then yun, see you later. So we're on our
our way to Lido Connect. Medyo okay naman. Yung weather here, it's okay, quite okay. Slightly moving clouds and then hindi naman pala maulan. It's just makulimlim. I'll see you in our cruise or in Lido Connect kung meron kaming mga nagustuhan din or something. We just booked this Bangkok Chao Phraya cruise, booked under Tours Travel and Tours. So we'll share the experience later. But yeah, for now, the check-in is okay, and then we are going to ride the cruise 7:50 p.m. right? And then yeah, for now we're just gonna go shop around and see what we can buy.